Hello, my beautiful friends. It's me, Jennysrp, and we are back today with a brand new unboxing of Witch Casket. So I'm very excited today to share the very first unboxing on my channel of Witch Casket. Witch Casket is £27 a month and you sign up directly through PayPal. So if you go to their website and sign up for their mailing subscription list, then you can get an update as to when subscriptions are open, because they sell out so fast every month that you have to jump on board when they have new openings through their PayPal. So you don't have an account on their website, but you do have an ongoing renewing subscription through PayPal. And so far, everything has been legit and really cool, and my box came very timely, wrapped in this biodegradable safety plastic packaging, and I'm very excited to open it up. Now, when I got ready to record this video, I had so much I wanted to say about Witch Casket and witches in general. I'm gonna keep it short and just say, for me, witchy stuff has been really entertaining to me my whole life, and over the last 10 to 15 years I've used tarot cards and different kinds of rituals and things just as part of a personal practice, but I'm not like officially spiritually or religiously associated with Wiccans or witchcraft. I guess you could say I don't call myself a witch. So if anyone out there watching this is a self-proclaimed witch or part of a witch community, I completely honor you and your work, and I hope that me using this for entertainment purposes is legitimate. I assume that it is. All of the witches that I follow on Instagram are very open-minded, very playful, and not only that, but it's not just about crystals and rituals and spells and really fun magical type stuff. These people are working with their intentions to actually make real change in the world. They are generally progressively viewed, and Witches for Black Lives Matter, hashtag Witches for Black Lives Matter, has been an amazing thread to follow. They're moving legislation and sharing petitions, and they're doing all kinds of work in the real world. And that to me is what the kind of witch intentions are about. Tarot cards are like a way of setting your intention or figuring out how you feel about things. They're kind of like psychology tools. Having that there's some element of like magic or mystery to them is just part of the entertainment aspect, but all of life is full of magic and mystery, so, you know, use it in a healthy, helpful way. That's why I'm so excited to see what's in Witch Casket and see if it's a perfect ongoing fun thing for me and my tools and my rituals and some of my psychological and spiritual practice. So let's take a look. Oh, look how cool that box is. That is so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Now, I'm sure witch stuff became so much more popularized after Harry Potter and, of course, the School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, which unfortunately has been ruined for many of us now for other reasons. I know that a lot of witchy stuff started in the 60s and 70s with the kind of Age of Aquarius movements and movements for love and peace and moving away from structured religion. But again, let's not get too much in the woods for that. Let's take a look at the box. That is so cool. I don't know where to start. I guess I'll just start with what's on top. It's a little info card, I guess. Please accept our apologies once again for the slight delay in shipping of your casket. In addition to the 20% store discount automatically applied at checkout, we've included an extra magical gift this month, and we really hope this helps you to know how appreciated you are. Love and blessings, Deb and Ella. Spiced orange soybean candle. Ooh, orange associated with the sun. Orange is believed to help summon love, bring good fortune, and help with prosperity. Allow the natural fragrance of this eco-friendly candle to carry the blissful energy of orange throughout your magical space. How fun! That's so nice. Ooh, and there's a couple little booklets. Witch Casket Sun Magic for June 2020. Now I'm recording this on June 30th. I received this a couple weeks ago, but I've been so ill. I'm still 4 months later recovering from different ailments that are coming from COVID-19. I don't have any active virus left, but whatever it's done to my immune system is still bugging me, and I'm gonna make a real update in the next week or two to fit into my coronavirus like story playlist so it doesn't interfere too much with this, but I haven't been feeling well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, and I hope I won't wait any longer next month to open the July box, because I could really use this stuff during the month to keep me back and checking in with myself. You know, I don't necessarily do a lot of rituals with crystals and spells and stuff, but just checking in with yourself with a couple of tarot cards to see how you're feeling and what you feel like you might want to focus on next is always really helpful. So this is probably all about like the summer solstice, and it's a little description of what's in here. So let's go ahead and take a look. And these are simple single stone readings with like a little example of what you might want to focus on for, you know, setting an intention, and different rune definitions. That's cool. I've never seen that before. So I guess maybe that's what. I actually don't know much about runes at all, but that's really neat. I'm going to look forward to checking that out. Okay, so let me keep this booklet available. And first on top, I think this Happiness Charm Bag Kit contains everything you need to surround yourself with the golden light of joy. How sweet is that? Oh, it smells like oranges. Cute. Okay, so there's a bag with a tiny little crystal in there. It looks like a glass crystal, but I'm not sure. And there's a sachet here. Biodegradable bag of some, smells like dried oranges and maybe something else. Some kind of flower. And this looks like shells or some kind of soft stone, and a little golden bag. Okay, so it's hibiscus flowers with orange peel and clear quartz crystal. And you add it to the gold satin pouch. Find a time and space where you can be at peace and undisturbed, and meditate while imagining wonderful things that will make you feel joy and happiness. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, that's fabulous. And I think this is really, it has a cute little cat on the back. I think that's really good for right now, for all the turmoil and all the really big challenges that we're facing in the world right now. For me, my intention has been to focus on what does a better answer look like? What does a better situation look like? And that's kind of the point of these rituals and stuff, is to focus your intention. What does the world look like when this problem is solved? What does it feel like to be in a better place where we can handle the lockdown, the pandemic, the social injustice, the economic problems we're going to be facing? What does that look like? And being able to imagine a better future is the first step in being able to take practical steps to doing it, either personally or on a social, like larger scale. So I think that's, for me, the benefit of these kinds of like rituals and meditations and intuitive practices. Okay, oh my gosh, this box is so full of stuff. I hope I can get through it before my phone runs out of storage. Okay, we'll step up the speed a little bit. Okay, that little ritual bag is so cute. Okay, there's this little scroll. Let's see what that's about. I feel bad like breaking the seal on this, but we can peel it off without ripping the paper. There's this scroll with Solar Magick. So there's different like information about the astrology that's happening near the solstice and what that might mean for you, what crystals are good, which amulets are good, which plants and flowers are good, jewelry that might be helpful, different meditations to focus on during this time. So it's all linked to like what astrology and what kind of seasonal things make for the best combination of your setting your intentions and yourselves. For me, it's just fun to have like a different theme. It's like Christmas. Christmas is a specific kind of time where culturally we have different themes to focus on, like generosity and brotherhood and compassion. Even if you're not a religious person, you can use these things as like a cultural practice, because honestly right now, with the religions not really being the center of community for a lot of people, I wouldn't say most people, but for a lot of people, it's sort of like we need to move into a different way of having rituals and things, you know, reasons to celebrate different themes throughout the year. Cute. There's a little pin, Sun Magick. That is so cute. Enamel pin with a little Oh my gosh, how much do we all want to go on like a holiday right now? So I'm just gonna put this right on. Cute. And there is a little sunstone, stone of happiness and good fortune. And it has a whole little like description of what the stone is and what it's supposed to represent and what kind of energies it's supposed to help you channel. That's so cute. I don't even have like a stone or a gem collection, so this is the start for me. It's so fun. Ooh, this is a little bag with floral grimoire cards. Are they like mini tarot cards or mini? And they're all themed with witch casket. That's so smart. Everything in here is like themed by their own brand. That's so nice. Okay, so they're little cards describing plants and what they stand for and what they might help you focus with. Lavender, rose, hibiscus, echinacea. That's neat. So you can pull a little card to help you see what you want to focus on. Jasmine for clarity. That's very cute. It's like informational and it's like a little flip a coin tarot card thing at the same time. This is called Wizard Spell. Enjoy the enchanting aroma of patchouli. That's a good root chakra scent. Ooh, incense cones. I don't have ever used these since I was like a kid. Oh yeah, I can smell them. It's a very nice grounding patchouli smell. I love it. Here's our spiced orange soy candle, our little bonus this month. That's so nice. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It's our little bonus gift for them having some troubles sending things out on time, which is, you know, not their fault. There's so much craziness going on right now. Ooh, this one is heavy. This is Runestones, and it has the rune symbols on them, I guess, that are described on that little card from earlier. I don't know how to use them, but I'm sure they're having a description on how to do that. So they're these little tiny stones with the runes on them, and I guess you can like find a different way to pick a few out and see what the runes mean. For example, I pulled these 3 out. Let's see what that means. So I got Othala for Heirlooms, Heritage, Land of Birth, America, but also my whole heritage is from Scotland and England. So Hearthrow, Die Cup, Mysteries, Secrets, Occult Abilities. Maybe I am a secret witch. And what else? Arrow, Taiwas, Tier, Honor, Justice, Leadership, and Authority. Fabulous. I don't know what that means or how you use them, but I'm sure this describes a little bit how to use them. That's so fun. Another little like intuition tool of like, how am I feeling? How should I deal with this? What should be my focus going forward? There's still so much in here. I have 9 minutes to finish this. Okay, next we have a foraging bag. That is so cute. Yeah, foraging bag. That's so cute, especially since this is all like describing different plants and herbs and stones and stuff that you can use for the summer solstice for June. That's so cute. They have like this little foraging bag. And you can also kind of use it as like a mat or the rune stones or for setting up your little altar. That's so adorable. Oh my gosh, this box is amazing. Okay, next we have this little packet. Lemon mango punch tea. How fun. Refreshing character of lemon with a sweet tropical note of mango. A little summertime tea. How fun. And essentials marigold for love, dreams, peace, luck, and wealth. I'm gonna open this because it doesn't say tea on this one, so I don't know if it's just pure marigold. Oh yeah, it's a little sachet. So, and it's biodegradable packaging. Like I said, these witches with their intentions, it's not just sitting there praying and meditating and buying stones. They're actually making, when you set an intention, you can take practical action and actually make decisions that help you move towards the world you want to see. So in this case, they're moving towards biodegradable packaging, and you can use these little marigolds. You can add them to like a candle or put them on like your altar, or I don't know if you can eat marigold and put it into tea. Kind of got like a peachy smell, but maybe that's from the orange from the other stuff. That's cool. So that is everything in the box. And look at this box. It's all branded with their witch casket. They've done this so well. It's so smart. And I don't even want to throw this box away. I think I might just keep it for the rest of my witch casket stuff that keeps coming through. I am now subscribed through PayPal, so it's just gonna keep renewing every month until I end it. 27 pounds, and I think it's so fun, especially when it's like a monthly ritual that you can do that has to do with the themes of the current month that you're in. So I'm super excited about that. I love it. I can't wait to read through this whole book and get a little more detail on what to do with each of the things and how to set them all up together. I'm wearing my little pin. I think they've done a really good job with this box. They have not skimped on the explanations or the theme that they want to get across. Everything is branded with their own branding, and I think it's amazing. So if you're into some of this new age witch crystals, rituals kinds of stuff, astrology, herbs, I totally highly recommend this. I think this one is specific only to the UK, but I know that they have them in different brands for the United States because they have subscription boxes for everything there. So 10 out of 10, I'm so excited. Definitely be getting this at least for a few months. If I ever stop, I don't know when I will, but who knows what's gonna happen in the next few months. We're all just kind of like seeing what happens. So set your intentions. Take some quiet time for yourself to figure out exactly what you want to see the world look like on the other side of all of this, and then be still with yourself, and then you can feel better and get to a place where you can take practical action to making the world a better place. And Black Lives Matter. Don't stop saying it. Don't stop fighting for it. We want to make this world a better place. At the end of this, it's very clear that it's time for stuff to make big old changes, and for anyone who is afraid of those changes, know that this is all meant to help everybody's lives for the better. Everybody. It's raising everybody up to the next level. So I hope you're all doing well. Take really good care of each other, and we'll be back very soon with more boxes. Bye!